Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peng. Today I'm going to show you the most commonly used apps in China. First, Weixin. This is the most commonly used app in China, made by Tencent. It has more than 1.2 billion active users. Do you know the population of China? China has 1.4 billion people. That means pretty much every Chinese is using that app. People use this every day to connect with people, connect with friends, family members, co-workers, to show what's going on to your friends. And the most important thing is you can use it to scan the QR code to pay money. So we can go anywhere without taking our cash. The next one, Douyin. Douyin in other countries is TikTok. In United States, Trump wants to ban it. It's quite popular in China. You can see almost everyone use it. Next one, Aichi. Aichi, here in this app, you can watch a lot of popular TV shows and animes. Bilibili. Bilibili is more like Chinese YouTube. The difference between Aichi and Bilibili, Aichi has more TV shows, Bilibili has more self-made videos, and Bilibili has some animes too. That depends on which platform has the copyright. And Bilibili has a really interesting function called 弹幕. If you turn on this function, you see other people's reviews on the screen. It makes you feel like you're watching a video with someone else, with the other people. If you don't want that, just turn it off so you can enjoy the original video. Jingdong, Taobao, Pindodo, those apps are for shopping, just like Amazon. But Pindodo is quite different. You see something you want, it has two prices. One is you buy it your own. The other one is you buy it with someone else. And this price is much cheaper. You see this wireless earphone? It costs 43.3 yuan if you buy it your own. But it just costs 13.19 yuan if you buy it with someone else. Just by tap this, someone buy it with me. 闲鱼. 闲鱼 is for people selling or buying used things. You can both sell and buy anything on it, but be careful if you want to buy something expensive, because there are some bad guys on it. Next one, 高德地图. 高德 map, just a map. 滴滴出行. Didi is the Chinese Uber, but nowadays it's not just for calling a car, but also used for shared bikes, delivered food, designated driver. 美团外卖 is for ordering delivered food, even hot pot can be delivered. 大众点评. 大众点评 is where you can find good restaurants, hotels, and shops by people's reviews. Have no idea where to eat? Check on 大众点评. Don't know where to spend a weekend? Check on 大众点评. Basically, it's the app that tells you what's in your local. 番茄小说. This is an app that allows you to read more free novels. Yes, we need to pay for reading novels a long time ago, but now it's free. The only thing you need to do is ignore the ads in the novels. 知乎 is the Chinese Quora. Okay, those are the most commonly used apps in China. Tell me if you are using some of it. Leave your comments below, or tell me what's the most popular app in your country. Please share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.